it's your girl here, Angie MX, back here with another video. And so today is a very special day. We're here in LA and we're going to this Sriracha Factory. I'm so excited that I can't talk. Oh my god. Like, everybody's wearing a Sriracha shirt. My mama, she's wearing a Sriracha shirt. Daddy's wearing a Sriracha shirt. And I'm wearing a Sriracha shirt. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys there. Or when we get there in the car. Or when we get there. Alright, my MX'ers, we are here at the Sriracha Factory. Look at this. We're here in LA. This is not clickbait. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at the flag of Sriracha. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a flag of Sriracha there. That is amazing. Can't wait to go inside. Look at the car. That cardo. That cardo. It's a Sriracha bottle. We're gonna take a picture here, so see you guys in a little bit when we get inside. We are here inside. There is nobody here, but here we have the Sriracha owner saying hi to you. Look at these giant Sriracha bottles. Look at that. It's heaven. This is amazing. Look at this bottle. It's like twice the size as me. Look at it. And then we got like mini Sriracha bottles right here. Wait, the picture. Picture. Okay. Alright, it's billions of pictures probably. Oh my god. Look at this. It's heaven for David Parody's here. It's amazing. Here, we have to wait. It's like a little dance floor. Look at this artwork. Beautiful. I give you applause. But they said that there's going to be like 3 more people. 3 more groups here. Nice. 3 more groups. And yeah. Amazing. They got Sriracha high heels, no way.
The man behind the Hoi Fong Empire.
Oh my god. It's like David Parody's, no way. What? That is amazing. What am I missing? Oh. That is amazing. These bottles are huge. Look at this. I'm zoomed in. It's amazing. But now we just have to wait. We have to wait. So, yeah, we have to wait. Huh, Daddy? We have to wait? Yeah.
Sriracha.
So usually we don't take this route. They're working on our hoppers where when we get our chilies. So we're going this route. That's fine. We're still going to see everything. So this entire building is 650,000 square feet. We're 2 times bigger than our old building now. Our chili season is 3 months out of the year, August, September, and October. That's the only time we get our peppers. So once we receive our peppers, they're red jalapeno peppers. They do grow here in California, between Ventura and Calabasas. Once we get our peppers, they get washed 3 times. They get grinded. They add salt and vinegar, and then they get made into a chili base. So we do make 3 sauces here: Sriracha hot sauce, chili garlic, and samba olive. Right here you're gonna see these machines. These are the old machines that we used in Rosemead. We do sometimes part them to use them for our new machines. All the machines you're gonna see inside, those were all designed by David Tran. That is our founder, CEO. We do have an on-site mechanic, so if you know any machines need to be fixed, we have mechanics to fix them right on site.
Beep beep. Whoa! Look at all these flavors.
That's the problem.
Guys, it smells a lot like sriracha. So these barrels have sriracha in them?
Yes, those are the pallets. Remember they said they do like 150 pallets a day?
Oh yeah.
Pallets.
So these have
Yeah,
sriracha
so
in
that's
them.
the final pallet.
Fills up the blue drums, and when it extracts the blue drums and gets it to get made into the sauce, once that gets filled up, it's sent back here and it's stored.
It's super loud. It's sriracha. I know. So where they make all the sriracha. So where they make the bottles. That's where they make all the bottles, guys. That's where the bottles go.
Every bottle starts off as a cream bar. They get brown sugar when they
Put in the sriracha. Yeah, that's crazy. They put brown sugar in it. Made in the USA. I touched something. They said don't touch anything, so I touched something. So they mixed it all up.
Yeah.
That's the mixer.
That machine is making the bottle.
Yeah.
It goes in the bottle right there.
Yeah, I know. because it's really loud. Really loud. Really. So, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. That's where they box them all up. This is super awesome. Thumbs up, guys, if you love this video. These are all boxes of Sriracha, guys. All boxes. We're going back. So these are the bear rolls. This is all Sriracha. This is heaven for David Barry and all those Sriracha fans out there. Taking the El Central students with us. Let go. And all my MX'ers. I touched it. Touching it. Touching it. I did. I recorded everything. Ooh. We're going back. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and like, because guess what? I just got a Sriracha stuffed plushie. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And I got a sweatshirt and it is amazing. And it was amazing. This was like one of the best days of my life. It was amazing. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you hit that post notification so I'm going to upload a new video. I'm going to Universal Studios. I'm gonna take you with me, guys. Alright guys, adios.